Welcome to another episode of learning. I thank each one of you for watching my videos and encouraging me. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. We continue the discussion of the solutions of the problems that have appeared in the JEE Main exams held in the January 2025 session. In this video, we discuss the solutions of 4 problems from the section Permutations and Combinations. It is the third part of the 3 parts of the video that is devoted for the permutations and combinations. This is the question that has appeared in the JEE Main held on 24th January 2025 in the second shift. The given problem is Group A consists of 7 boys and 3 girls, while Group B consists of 6 boys and 5 girls. The number of ways 4 boys and 4 girls can be invited for a picnic if 5 of them must be from the Group A and the remaining 3 must be from the Group B is equal to. We are given 4 options. Right. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have the Group A and it has 7 boys and 3 girls. We have Group B, it has 6 boys and 5 girls. What is the task? The task is to invite 4 boys and 4 girls with a condition 5 of them must be from the Group A and the remaining 3 from the Group B. Right. So here is a tabular form which I have made for you. Group A, 7 boys, 3 girls. Group B, 6 boys, 5 girls. Number of ways from the Group A, number of ways from Group B, number of selection of the party. I will explain to you. Now what are the conditions? Now the first one is 5 of them must be from Group A. So I will choose 4 boys plus 1 girl, 5 of them from Group A, right? And the remaining 3 must be from Group B. We have already chosen 4 boys, so 0 boys plus 3 girls. Now see, 5 from Group A we have chosen, 3 from Group B we have chosen, and 4 boys we have chosen, and 4 girls we have chosen. So we have done as required. Now number of ways from A, that is 7 boys and 3 girls. So 4 boys plus 1 girl from 7 boys plus 3 girls. So 7 out of 4. How many ways you can do? 7 C4 plus 3 C1. Right. 0 boys plus 3 girls from 6 boys plus 5 girls. 6 out of 0. 0 out of the 6. 6 C0 plus 5 C3. So number of ways of selecting the party, the picnic party, is this ways multiplied by this ways. 7C4 plus 3C1 multiplied by 6C0 plus 5C3. Now simplify, we'll get 1050. The next choice I will make 3 boys plus 2 girls. Yes, I can do that. Thereby 5 from group A. 3 boys we have already chosen. So 1 boy plus 2 girls. 1 boy plus 2 girls. 1 plus 2, 3 from group B. And 3 boys plus 1 boy. That is 4 boys and 4 girls. Now 3 boys plus 2 girls chosen from 7 boys and 3 girls. That is 7C3 plus 3C2. About group B, 1B plus 2G, 6C1 plus 5C2. By product rule, 7C3 plus into 3C2 into 6C1 into 5C2 multiply. Simplifying, we will get 6300. Next choice, 3B, 1 less, 2B plus 3 girls, 5. 2B means 2B, thereby 4 boys plus 1 girl, 3 girls plus 1 girl, 4 girls, 2B plus 1, 3 from group B, 5 from group A, 4 boys are there and 4 girls are there. Conditions are satisfied. How many ways you can do? The number of ways is 7C2 plus 3C3, 2B plus 3G. 2B plus 1G is 6C2 into 5C1. Number of ways will be product rule. 7C2 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 6C2 multiplied by 5C1 multiply, simplify 1575. Now one will say, sir, I will take 1 boy plus 4 girls. This is not possible because group A has only 3 girls. 3 we have already exhausted. Therefore, these are the only choices. Therefore, the total number of ways of selecting depicting party is the sum of all these things, that is 1050, 6300, 1575. When added, we will get 8925. Let's look at our options. The options are here and our answer 8925 appears against option 2. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 2. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the given problem. Right. We continue. Yes, this is the question that has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 23rd January 2025 in the morning shift. The number of words which can be formed using the letters of the word DAUGHTER, daughter, so that all the vowels never come together is, we are given 4 options. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We are given the word daughter, DAUGHTER. How many letters are there? 8 letters. With these 8 letters, how many words you can form? 8 factorial. The number of letters in this word are 8. They are all distinct. The number of words that can be formed with these 8 letters is 8 factorial. There are 3 vowels in the given word. What are they? A, U, E. The remaining 5 consonants are there. What are they? D, G, H, T and R. Right. Now treat these three vowels as one block. Treat the group of vowels as a block. So we have 5 consonants plus one block of vowels. So this one block you have to consider as one item. Therefore 5 items plus one item, that are 6 items are there. Right. How this will be? This is like this. This is like this. So one block of vowels, that is A, U, E as one block, and the remaining 5 are here. Of course, this is one way of writing, one choice that I have depicted here, but now it's like that. 6 items. So these 6 items can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Right. So they can be permuted in 6 factorial ways. So for each 6 item, these vowels can be permuted among themselves. In how many ways? A, U, E, 3 letters in 3 factorial ways. Now for each 6 items, the 3 vowels of the block can be permuted among them in 3 factorial ways, like this. A, E, U, U, A, E, U, E, A, E, A, U, E, U, A, factorial 3 ways. So the total number will be, now the number of arrangements where the vowels come together is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. But what is that we want? We want the number of words which can be formed using the letters of this word with the condition all the vowels never come together. So these are the number of arrangements where the vowels come together. Therefore, the number of words in which the vowels do not come together is the total number of words 8 factorial minus this, minus in brackets 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Simplify, it will be 720 into 50, that is 36,000. That's the answer. The answer is in option 2. So that is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. Let's move to the next question. Yes, this is a question that has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 22nd January 2025 in the second shift. The given question is, in a group of 3 girls and 4 boys, there are 2 particular boys named as B1 and B2. The number of ways in which these girls and boys can stand in a queue such that all the girls stand together and all the boys stand together, but B1 and B2 are not adjacent to each other. Right. Let's now, and we are given 4 options. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have in a group 3 girls and 4 boys. Out of these 4 boys, 2 boys are identified as B1 and B2. What is our task? The task is to find the number of ways with the following conditions. First, all girls must stand together. Second, all boys must stand together. The third, the particular boys B1 and B2 should not be adjacent. Right. So what I will do is, I will take these 3 girls and write as one block, call it G. These 4 boys, we write this as one block, call it capital B. We take all girls as a block, call it G, which has 3 girls, and all boys as a block, capital B, which has 4 boys. In these 4 boys, that B1, B2 are there. Now these blocks can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. What are the ways? GB, BG. Right. Now, the girls in block G can be arranged in 3 factorial ways because 3 girls are there. Now, let X be the number of arrangements in the block B where these particular boys B1 and B2 are not adjacent. Then the required number of ways is given by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into X. So our task is now to find the X. That we do it in the next slide. Yeah, that's what we have done so far. And our task is to find X. The boys in block B, there are 4 boys in the block B, including those 2 particular boys B1 and B2, can be arranged in 4 factorial. From this, we need to subtract the number of arrangements where B1 and B2 are adjacent. We take B1 and B2 as a single block. Then we have 3 items, 1 block having B1, B2, that is 1 block, plus 2 other boys. How many? 3 items. First item is 1 block having B1 and B2, and 2 items are 2 other boys. And these 3 items can be permuted in 3 factorial ways. And now look at the block in which B1, B2 are there. B1 and B2 can be arranged, permuted. 2 fellows are there. They can be permuted in 2 factorial ways as B1, B2 and B2, B1. So, the number of arrangements in B with B1 and B2 are adjacent is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Right. Now, X is equal to the number of arrangements in the block B where B1 and B2 are not adjacent is 4 factorial minus the number of ways where these 2 fellows are adjacent, that is in brackets 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So X is now 4 factorial minus in brackets 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Now the required number of ways is 2 factorial into 3 factorial into X. 2 factor is equal to 2 factorial into 3 factorial into X is written here. Simplifying, we will get 12 into 12, that is 144. So let's look at our options. Our answer 144 appears against option 1. Therefore, the answer to this question is option 1. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of this problem. We continue in the next slide. Right. This question has appeared in the JEE Main exam held on 22nd January 2025 in the first shift. From all the English alphabets, that is from A, B, C, D up to Z, 5 letters are chosen and are arranged in alphabetical order. 5 letters means 5 distinct letters. The total number of ways in which the middle letter is M. M is the 13th letter. is we are given four options. Let's now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. 5 letters are chosen from the English alphabet, that is the set A, B, C up to X, Y, Z. They are 26 in number. They are arranged in alphabetical order. 5 letters are chosen and they are arranged in alphabetical order. Required to find the number of such 5-letter combinations where M is the middle, that is the third letter in the sorted list. Out of this 5 letter, the middle one is the third letter. In that place, M is there. It's like this. 5-letter word, dash dash, M dash dash. These first 2 dashes, you can fill it up by the letters before M. How many? 12 letters. A, B, C up to L. These second 2 dashes can be filled with 13 letters. That is from N to X, N to Z, N to Z. So we need to choose 2 letters before M from 12 letters before M. What are the 12 letters? A, B, C up to L. The next one, 2 letters after M from 13 letters after M. What are the 13 letters after M? N, O, P up to Z. Now 2 letters in the first 2 slots. 2 letters can be chosen in 12C 2 ways. The next 2 letters can be chosen in 13C 2 ways. Now the number of ways choosing 2 letters from A, B, C up to L is 12C2. The number of ways of choosing 2 letters from N, O, P up to Z is 13C2. The required number of ways will be 12C2 into 13C2 by product rule of counting. Simplify, we will get 66 into 78. On multiplication, we find 5148. That appears against option 2. The answer to this question is option 2, and that is the detailed discussion of this problem. In this problem, I have discussed the solutions of 4 problems from the section Permutations and Combinations, and all of them are the counting techniques, right? And these questions, what I have discussed, are not difficult questions. They can be very easily answered. Such similar questions we normally do in our plus 2 level classes. So I am sure you do not find any difficulty in getting the answers for these questions. Right. I am sure that you understood the solutions of these 4 problems. Thank you for watching this video now. I thank each one of you for watching my videos and encouraging me. Please like my videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Yes, I am sure I will meet you all once again in another episode of learning. Enjoy learning mathematics. I wish you all the best. Thank you.